Welcome to Healing Path Acupuncture. In this brief video tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a new account, schedule online, and fill out forms. The first thing you'll want to do is select your browser of choice. Type in the web address, which is www.healingpathacupuncture.info. Once you're on the page, you have two options. You can click on the More button and click on Patient Portal. This will take you to the Patient Portal. Or scroll down until you see Schedule Now. Click on the Schedule Now button. This will also take you to the Patient Portal. Once you're on the Schedule Online and Patient Portal section, scroll down to see your selection of services and prices. For current patients who would like to log into their patient portal, click the tab at the top of the scheduling area that says Patient Portal. Fill in your username and password. Click Login and you're ready to go. If you're brand new, this is where you would fill out your patient registration. First, put your first name, followed by your last name, the email where you'd like to receive confirmations, and then create a password. Also, give us the best phone number to reach you at. Once you've filled that out, go ahead and click Submit. Once you're in the patient portal, you will see a list of forms to fill out. You will be able to make appointments or change your appointments under the Appointment tab. You will also see messages, and you can message me through the Secure Patient Portal, and any documents that I've shared with you will be in the Documents section. If you would like to schedule an appointment, make sure that you're on the Schedule tab and then look through the list of services available. Choose the service you would like to schedule. Once you click that service, you will see a calendar that will come up with available appointments. Scroll down and click the appointment that works best for you. If you have anything important that you want me to know, you can include an optional message with your appointment booking. Fill that out on the bottom and then go ahead and click Confirm. Once you see that green circle with the check mark, then you know that your appointment is confirmed. You go to the Patient Portal, go under Appointments, and then you can cancel or reschedule the appointment that you have just made or that you've previously made. Go ahead and reschedule that appointment. Please let me know why you're rescheduling and click Reschedule. Again, the options will come up for you to change that appointment. So click on the day and then the time that works best for you. Go ahead and confirm that new appointment. And once again, once you see that circle with the green check, you know that your appointment is confirmed. You should also be receiving a confirmation email. Now, let's say you need to cancel that appointment and you're not sure when you can reschedule. Once again, go to that patient portal, see the appointment that you'd like to cancel, and click Cancel. You can leave me a message about why you need to cancel, or you can just click the Cancel button. then you should see a confirmation message that that appointment has been canceled. And you should also receive a confirmation email that that appointment has been canceled. Once you're in the patient portal, click the Forms button. Every patient that comes to Healing Path Acupuncture, regardless of which service you choose, you will need to fill out the AAC Arbitration Agreement, as well as the Patient Policy Agreement. If you're coming in for acupuncture, I'll need you to fill out the Acupuncture Informed Consent to Treat, as well as the Adult Intake for Healing Path Acupuncture. I would also like you to fill out the Nutritional Assessment Questionnaire 1.5. If you are coming for CranioSacral Therapy, again, you would fill out that AAC arbitration form, as well as the patient policy form at the top. And then you would click on CranioSacral Therapy Intake Form. If you're coming specifically to work on detox, please fill out the Toxicity Questionnaire, as well as the Symptoms Survey Form. If you're coming in for coaching, fill out the Coaching Intake and Agreement form. If I'm going to be meeting with you virtually, please fill out the Consent to Telehealth Treatment, and also the Permission for Video Photographic Consent. If you are a new patient filling out paperwork for a child, which would be anybody 12 years old or younger, please fill out the new Patient Pediatric form. At the very bottom, you will see an option to update your contact information. If you've moved, changed addresses or telephone numbers, a change in your marital status or employment status, or anything else that needs to be updated, please fill out and update your contact information. Healing Path Acupuncture does not accept or bill insurance, so although there is an insurance information tab there, please do not fill that out or submit that. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I am with you every step of the way.